Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use screws and nails in CraftyAmigo. At CraftyAmigo, we have a wide variety of screws and nails in different sizes and gauges designed for different types of projects. So I'm going to show you some practical examples to help you learn how to use them and make the most of this new improvement. The first example I want to give you is when you're connecting wood to wood. We're going to click on one of the profiles and then go to this little icon here, which is to add a screw. You'll notice that the plus signs turn yellow. We're going to click on one of them and right away the screw and nail options will appear. We have different types of sizes and gauges, so choose the one that's right for your project. We select the screw and move it into place. Remember, you can add as many screws as your project requires. The second case I want to show you is when you connect one piece of wood to another using a connector. Let's click on the connector. We're going to proceed by clicking on the Add Screw option. Let's then carefully click on one of these visible plus signs and subsequently choose the particular screw or nail that we most prefer or find suitable for our current needs. Another type of connector that uses screws is one where you can combine wood with other types of materials and the process is the same. Let's click on a connector. Let's click on the attached screw icon. Let's click on the yellow plus and let's choose the right screw for this connector. Basically, in CraftyAmigo, we have configured all the parts that can contain a screw. For example, this door here. Let's click on the door. Let's proceed to click on the Add Screw option. And now you can see that you can add a screw to the hinges of this door. Another case I want to show you is that you can also add screws to the 80-20 aluminum connectors, to the telescopic profile connectors, and to the strut profile connectors. And basically to add them, it's the same process. We're going to click on a connector and then click on Add Screw. Finally, we also have these cases. The first of them is when you want to combine wood with metal. We're going to click on the profile. We're going to click on Add Screw. We're going to click on one of the yellow plus signs and we'll notice that we also have screws for joining wood with metal. We also have this case for joining metal to metal and the process is practically the same. Lastly, we have drywall panels, which also have their own screws. One of the main advantages of this improvement is that you'll be able to quantify exactly how many screws and nails you'll need for your project. Now you know how to use screws and nails.